Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can install apps on your Vivo X80 Pro. For that, you're going to your Play Store and then you can see here apps recommended for me. You have top charts and apps for kids and different categories. Down here you have also games, so then I will just show you games and books. Now you can just scroll through it, and if you like an app you can install it. But you can also look for apps in your search bar. That only works if you know the name from the app you want to install. We're gonna install Lieferando now. And there it shows me Lieferando. And then you have further details here and also feedback on the app. Then you click on install. Now the phone installed the app and you can open it through this button here, or you go back to your home screen and then open your menu. And here we have Lieferando. If you press and hold and then move it, it goes to your home screen and then you can access it easier and don't have to look through your menu here. Then you can just click on the app and get started with it, use it, or whatever else. We're not going any further with this one today, but that's how you install apps to your Vivo X80 Pro. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.